Meet Danger, a beautiful 14-year-old ragdoll. I went to visit Danger for her first ever groom. She did great for her bath. I allow her to hide underneath the towel so she can feel a bit safer. Then I introduce the dryer, increasing the speed progressively, and I use no nozzle. Once she grew her confidence, I removed the towel and she was wearing her happy hoodie at all times to help with the noise. Because she's an older girl and it was her first groom, I just gave her a little break from the dryer and started giving her a nice brush out and using a comb as well to remove the undercoat. She will enjoy it. And now that she's used to the dryer, we can remove the happy hoodie and dry her head very gentle with the dryer on the lower speed and being very careful no air gets into her ears. As you can see, she's touching my body because that way she feels safer. Such a good girl. To finish her groom, we're gonna check with a thinner comb that we haven't missed any mats. The nail trim, ear cleaning and eye cleaning is included in all the wash and dry services. Nail caps and tummy shaving can be added on. And you are all done, Danger! Well done, beautiful girl. It's been a pleasure to groom you today.